Well friends, this just arrived. Today is May 21st. I don't know how soon I can get this video up for y'all, but I will do my best. This is my Ipsy Glam Bag. We're going to be unboxing this today. As you all know, I've had some issues with the app. We'll talk more about that and what I think has fixed that, all of that in today's video. So if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess. I like to sing whether or not I have a singing voice or not, because guess what? Why? It's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where your girl is highly caffeinated. Anyways, okay, so here's the deal. It is almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This just arrived at my door. I thought I was finished filming for the day. I was sitting down to edit and the mailman was like, no, you have more work to do. I'm excited about this. I will tell you all, well, you know what, let's just go ahead and jump on in. I am all over the place. So I did cash in like $1,800, I think it was, rewards. Every time you share your referral link for Ipsy, you gain like Ipsy charms. I guess we can just call it the same as like Boxy. You earn charms that you can shop in their like charm room, and I had forgotten about mine. So I do not have an affiliate link or anything with Ipsy or Boxy. So when you see a link down below, it's just a referral link that everybody gets when they sign up. So when people use it and sign up, then you get like little charm rewards to use in their store. And I hadn't seen anything that I was really excited about here lately. It did ship together. But, oh, this was not packaged well, Lord. But for 1,800 points, I could get this Violet Voss palette. This is the Wildflower. I love Violet Voss's eyeshadow formula. Y'all know I am an eyeshadow palette junkie. Like, I have well more than I need, but it is what it is. So this is what it looks like. And it's okay. So low-key kind of gave me a mix of like fall vibes, you know? I mean, but I thought it was pretty, and I think for some reason I want to say it was telling me my points were going to expire, or my rewards. So I went ahead, I used it, I got it, I'm happy. Okay, so what we're going to be unbagging today is the Ipsy Glam Bag. This bag is $12 and it is a monthly subscription. You do get to customize typically one item in this bag. Now this is the bag for May 2021, so this is what it looks like. It's kind of in like a light pink pleather type of bag, and it does have like little designs. It doesn't like pop out or anything like that. I love the rose gold little zipper on here. So aesthetically, you know, that's my thing. Pink, love it, it's cute. Typically you do get to choose one item. My app had not been working. One of y'all told me to go onto my computer and use Google Chrome. Don't use like Safari or anything like that that's on your phone. So I went ahead, I did that. I was able to log into my account and it was working. Then it like shut down again, so who knows. We'll see when everything starts opening up again and I can make my choices. We'll see. You know what, I'm lying. I did make a choice. 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 I did make a choice, and I am happy about it. Okay, so inside here, you guys, it's Friday. It's Friday. I'm happy. We're going into the weekend. So in here you do receive a card. Now this card does have all the information of everything that's in the bag, and it will give you the prices if you purchase, you were to go purchase it full size. Okay, so I'm getting sidetracked. So for whatever reason, when it comes to the Glam Bag, the $12 bag, I can seem to get in there and make my choices. It's when it's the Plus or the X, I can't get in and make my choice. So getting to see this in the bag reminded me I did get to make my choice for this. This is a Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream or Boom Boom Cream, kind of depends. I call it the Bum Bum Cream, but I love this stuff so much. Oh, and I just used my last little mini, and I have the big one, and I'm like, ooh, I'm down to having to use my big one of it, but nope. We we back. This makes me so happy. Full size is $45. So anytime I see this at add-ons, even over at BoxyCharm, pop-up, whatever, I snatch these. I love these. These are my scent. This is my scent. I love it. The next item in here is by R Plus Co. This is the Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. This full size has a retail value of $29. This is good for dry hair that is more prone to frizz, dullness, and breakage. So this is going to be perfect for me. So I definitely feel like when it comes to Ipsy, it is supposed to be profile based. This is definitely something that I would have marked in my profile of needing. So very happy about that. Okay, so the next item in here is by the Beauty Crop. This is Stuck On You Eye Primer Base. This is good. I feel like if you really want to do like a really beautiful look, I mean, you can do like a neutral natural type of look too, but this it's sealed and I literally just polished my nails, so I don't want to screw them up. But I don't know if you guys can see in there, it's kind of got like a vanilla type of color to it, and it will give you like a nice little tacky base to your lid, so it really gets your eyeshadow to adhere. This does have a retail value of $16.50. The difference between eyeshadow that smears in seconds and eyeshadow that lasts for hours, you're looking at it. Worn under your favorite cream or powder shadow, this eye primer prevents pigments from creasing, fading, flaking, and it is good for flawless looks all day long. So this is actually a full-size product. Next in here, ooh, look how pretty this little box is. It's by Sugar. It says Sugar Cosmetics Contour Mini Blush and Peach Peak. Retail value $9.99. I'm trying not to screw up my nails. Okay, so it's in like a little cardboard type of packaging. Ooh, that is so pretty. This reminds me kind of close to the Patrick Ta blush that I have on today, and she's adorable. Let's compare. Oh yeah, they are very similar. I love this. Again, I have it on today with one of my e.l.f. Always Cheery, I think is what it is. Yeah, Always Cheery blush. I have those mixed together. This is really pretty. I like that a lot. Wow. Okay, Ipsy. The next or last item in here, oh, I don't know how to say this. Bonjour? Eggplant Daily BHA Toner. It has eggplant extract and salicylic acid. I love that. And this is a really good amount. Like, this is a really good amount. It does have a retail value, full size, I believe, is $27.27. It says got oily or acne prone skin, which I do. I'm gonna be 43 on June 8th, and I still occasionally suffer from adult acne. Good times. It's more like hormonal, I do believe. Anywho, this is a purifying toner, and it has salicylic acid and eggplant extract in it to get rid of the pore clogging dead skin cells and excess sebum without leaving behind a sticky residue. Used twice a day. I like this. Okay, I'm really excited because HAILEY'S bag had arrived. It's been here and we've been waiting on my bag, so I'm excited to see what she received in hers. We're gonna go head to head and do our Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter glam bag. So make sure to stay tuned for that so you don't miss out. We already did a dedicated video with our Ipsy X boxes, and we had so much fun, like so much fun. So hopefully she'll be able to make it back over here so we can film our glam bag head to head. I'm pretty excited to see what she did receive. If you are interested in signing up for Ipsy Glam Bag, which is the $12 bag here, make sure to check my description box down below. It is just my referral link. It is not an affiliate link. I will not earn a commission other than getting the little Ipsy rewards just like you all get when you share yours. So anyways, that is all for today's video. Make sure to check me out on my second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, for some plus size curvy girl fashion hauls over there. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.